Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D4 chapter number 3, exercise 3C, that is about the multiplication law of probability and independent events, and the exercise is about the conditional probability. How to understand what is the conditional probability? You have to watch the previous lesson, because the lessons of mathematics require continuous integration and practice of the previous lesson with the new lesson. If the previous link or the lesson is weak, the new lesson will also be affected. So please must watch those all basic lessons for better understanding of this lesson. Let's move to today's class, and in this class we will be discussing question number 6. Question 6 says a class has 30 girls and 15 boys. Two representatives are to be selected at random from the class. Find the probability that the first representative is a girl, the second representative is a girl, given that the first representative is a boy. Okay, and then the next part says the first representative is a boy and the second representative is a girl. A boy and the girl are selected as the representatives. Okay. So let's try to solve the question, and let me write on the small data here that a class has 30 girls. Number of girls are, n stands for number of girls are 30 and number of boys are 15, and total students. Okay, how many total students are there, and why are we finding the total? This is also important. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 45. Okay, because the formula of probability is probability of any event. Probability of any event equals to favorable chances upon total chances. So in order to get total chances, so in order to get the probability of either the selection of a boy or a girl, we need to write the fraction, and for the fraction the denominator has to be total. So we need to find the total for that reason. And then the question says that two representatives are to be selected at random. Two representatives are to be selected at random from the class. So let me first draw the tree diagram here. Okay, for the selection of boy and girl. Okay, always try to make some pictorial representation for your question, especially a probability, so that your message has to be more clear to the examiner. And now this is for the first representative. Okay, boy or girl, 30 girls. Okay, girls, and it's up to you. Either you can write the boys first or you can write the girls first. Boys and girls. And then again this branch will be divided into further parts, and this branch will also be divided into further parts. Okay, this is the first representative, and this is for the second representative. Okay, now if I am picking up boy first, then my choices will be 15 by 45, and for the girl the choices will be 30 by 45. Now try to understand. This is again the boy and girl, boy and girl. Now if I have picked up one boy here, okay, it means that for the next selection the choices, total choices of boys will no more be 15, they will become 14. 14 and the total will also be 1 less than the original total. But coming to the girls, as this second time we are again picking up a boy, so the chances of girls will remain same, 30 by 44, and then this will be 15 by 44 and this will become 29 by 44. I hope you are clear that how we are making the tree diagram, and here we can write the outcomes as well. Outcomes will be helping us in different choices. Okay, outcomes, look, boy with boy, boy with girl, girl with boy and girl with girl. These are the different choices. The first representative is a girl. Here the restriction is that we have to pick up the girl. So, the probability of first representative is a girl. First part is first representative is a girl. Probability of first representative to be a girl, favorable chances for the choice of girl, with that is choice of girl, that is 30 by the total chances 45. Now we can see that 30 and 45 both come in same table, in one table. 15 twos are and 15 threes are, 15 twos are and 15 threes are. Always give answers of probability in your most simplified form. I hope you are clear about this part. And moving to the second part, the second representative is a girl, given that the first representative is a boy. Okay, the second representative is a girl, given that the first representative is a boy. Okay, now first let me write down the part number here. Probability of second representative is a girl. Now try to understand that the second representative that we have to choose, that has to be the girl. Okay, choices for first representative to be a girl are 30 by 45. So, the second representative to be a girl, what will be the chances for second representative to be a girl? That will be 30 by 44, 30 by 44, and this will become they can go in one table, 2 15s are and 2 22 times are 15 by 22. Moving to the next part, the first representative is a boy and the second. Now try to understand why the term and is written. And means that we have to multiply the probabilities in what order? That first representative is a boy, that we must have to pick the first representative from the boys. Probability, the first representative is a boy, and the second one is, girl, Now try to understand the condition and restriction imposed, that the first representative must be a boy. Then the chances are probability of boy with girl. Okay, and now the chances of boy, picking up of boy first, is 15 by 45, boy with girl, and the chances of picking up of a girl later is 30 by 44. Now we have to see that can we cancel like 15 ones are and 15 threes are and 3 ones are and 3 tens are, 2 fives are and 2 22s are 5 by 22 are the chances for the first representative to be a boy and the second to be a girl. And moving to the last part, that a boy and the girl is selected. Fourth part says that probability of boy and a girl Try to understand the question, that here there is no condition imposed, no restriction imposed, that whether we have to pick up a boy first or we have to pick up the girl first. So it can happen, it may be possible that someone can pick up a boy first and then girl, or somebody can pick up the girl first or boy later. So it will have the outcomes boy with girl or girl with boy. So it will be probability of boy with girl, or we are going to add probability of girl with boy. Now the chances of boy picking up a boy first is 15 by 45 and girl later is 30 by 44, and plus picking up of girl first is 30 by 45 and the boy later is 15 by 44. Now in such situations you can see that denominators are same and the numerators are same. So either some of the students, what they will be doing, better not to disturb the denominator and LCM. Okay, this is 15. 15 times 30 is 15 multiplied by 30 is giving me 450 by 45 multiplied by 44, this is giving me 1980. Okay, I'll perform the calculation in both ways. Then plus this will again be 450 by, let me confirm once again, 45 multiplied by 44 is 1980. Now denominator is same. So what can we do, students, here, that we can take the LCM. 1980 and 450 plus 450, which is will be giving me 450 plus 450, 900 upon 1980. We must have to give the answer in most simplified form. This goes with this and we are left with 90 upon 198. 9 and 1 10 and 1 18. So I hope 9 tens are 90 and 9 twos are 18. 198 divided by 9 is 22, or 2 fives are and 2 11s are 5 by 11. There are 5 by 11 chances for the picking up of a boy and girl in any order. Some of the students can do this question in this way, and some maybe perform the working in this way, as both are same fractions, so they can do 2 times 15 multiplied by 30 is 450 by 1980, 2 times. Okay, now this goes with this, and then what we can do is that either we can read the table, or we can again make 45 2 times is 90. In any case, we will be reaching at the same stage. Or the third condition can be that some of the students may be simplifying these fractions at this stage. It's up to you how you carry the calculation. I hope you are clear about the conditions imposed on in this question. Please watch and understand this question. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.